Feeling hopeful about a cure for your headaches? Welcome to video 2 in PharmaMax's series to help address your biggest problems. In the previous video, we discussed the top 5 pain points in the pharma industry while talking about our unique ecosystem solutions to the number 1 headache for pharma leaders, document management. In this video, we will be discussing pain points number 2 and number 3, traceability traps and QA and QC quicksand. Are you plagued by the menace of smuggling and illicit sale of your products? Need a reliable track and trace framework to ensure seamless product delivery? Traceability is a critical element when it comes to customer safety. An ineffective track and trace system can put customers directly in risk of consuming counterfeits of critical medication. It can lead to compliance consignment rejections, costing lakhs for every infraction. Relax. PharmaMax's Track and Trace CRM is the ideal tool for you. Track and Trace is a best-in-class drug traceability tool, with the following potent strengths. Drug shipment with barcodes following GS1 standard to establish traceability. Multi-agency support. Faster packaging process with integrated hardware solution. Minimal changes to current system. Reduces product recalls. For a free research-backed white paper on traceability and our track and trace framework, follow the link in the description. Do quality issues give you that sinking feeling? Do frequent equipment breakdowns make the situation worse? Without good QMS processes, you are highly likely to fail compliance audits. This also hinders the process of continuous improvement, stagnating production and growth. Worry not. QMS Spark will shine. The QMS Spark module provides streamlined quality management resources that will turn your production line into a well-oiled machine. Manage internal, external, and regulatory audits. Conduct risk assessments, identify root causes and initiate and manage CAPAs for the entire complaint lifecycle. Industry first, 21 CFR Part 11 compliant calibration management solution. Better and consistent control of major business and successful working processes. Improved risk management. Greater consistency in the quality of products and services and reduction of costly errors. Contact us now for more details on QMS Spark. Have a listen to our delighted customers. Why hesitate when you can boost your business with our proven ecosystem solutions today? For more solutions that we offer, join us in video 3. Meanwhile, have a great day, and keep those headaches away.